I would like to share with you the GGMR's TV's Pillars MMA Stop shield fighting position. We have only 5 shield fighting position. First, offensive position. Then second, defensive outside block. The third, inside block. The fourth, rising block. Then fifth, downward block. First, defensive position. Second, defensive outside block. Then third, defensive inside block. Fourth, rising block. Then downward block. Application. You should know the basic because that is the weapon of an expert. And shield fighting, so they have different techniques. Usually, the shield, they have different sizes, shape, and also different design. So in GGMR's TV's Pillars MMA Stop, we are using medium-sized shield. We have to use this one during our competition to block the stick and to block the kicking and punching. So we are using this medium size of shield, a Filipino design. So thank you for practicing the ancient Filipino fighting.
Sa GMR's TV's Pillars MMA nagsimula, pundasyong matibay at matatag ang aming motto. Mandirigma ng Diyos, naglilingkod sa Diyos at sa batas ng gobyerno, tumutupad sa salita